Can a contingent beneficiary designation bypass a will for assets? Imagine you have a plan for your estate, but did you know some assets can skip your will entirely? That's where a contingent beneficiary comes into play. When you set up your estate, you might think your will covers everything, but certain assets follow different rules. Beneficiary designations are contracts you make directly with banks, insurance companies, or investment firms. These designations tell them who gets the asset when you pass away. Primary beneficiaries are the first in line, but if they're unavailable or refuse the inheritance, contingent beneficiaries step in. They act as backups, inheriting only if the primary beneficiaries can't or won't accept the assets. These designations are made for specific assets like retirement accounts, life insurance policies, payable on death bank accounts, and some brokerage accounts. Because these assets are transferred directly to the beneficiaries without going through probate, they don't follow the instructions in your will. This means that even if your will states a different plan, the beneficiary designation controls for those assets. For example, if your retirement account names a primary beneficiary and a contingent beneficiary, and the primary is no longer alive or can't be found, the contingent will inherit the account. It's important to keep these beneficiary designations updated, especially after major life events like marriage, divorce, or the death of a beneficiary. If you forget to update them, assets might go to someone you no longer want to inherit. Also, assets without a beneficiary designation or with no surviving beneficiaries will pass according to your will or state laws if there's no will. In estate planning, coordinating beneficiary designations with your will and trust is key. They serve as a backup system that can bypass your will for those specific assets. This setup helps your loved ones receive assets quickly and without extra costs or delays. So, yes, a contingent beneficiary designation can indeed bypass a will for certain assets, making your estate plan more flexible and reliable.